good morning, and I'm back from my run post run meet, and it's been a rainy and a cold day. And I think winters are starting since it's the start of the October. This these days, this week has been very super productive for me as it is very important for my career. And from a long time, I was thinking to start my own YouTube channel, and so this is my first YouTube video. I really hope you guys like it, and so I'm finishing my my protein bar, and I will leave for work. Let's go.